Hi guys, it's me, Tristan Melchert, and today, I don't know if you can hear him, but I have a cat! I just got a cat! And he scratched the heck out of me, like he scratched me so bad. But my parents were in the store and they gave me a call and they were like, hey, you need to come to the store right now. And then there were cats and he was holding a cat and his name is Bottoms. There's just a lot of emotions running through my head right now. But yeah, I have a cat now, and it's my cat. He's gonna love me and only me, and I'm gonna love him, and he's gonna be my emotional support. Freaking, he's gonna be my best friend. He's camera shy.
So, this stuff's pretty smelly. So what I do here, bud?
Hey. Play. Come here, Bottoms. You like to play. Ow, you bit me. You're not supposed to bite your father. You little butt. I'm not trying to get in there. Oh, he's eating now. I freaking love cats. Oops. There he is. Get done. Meow, 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 meow. Why don't you come up upon my bed? Come here. Up. Bottoms. There you go. How does it feel? Oh my god. I farted and it stinks. Oh, and he gone. This is Bottoms. Hope everybody likes him just as much as I do. Come here, Bottoms. Show everybody how happy you are. Happy in your new home. I farted back there. Meow. All right, Bottoms. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to everybody. Bottoms. Say goodbye to everyone. Fine. Don't say goodbye. Just be epic.